so I had to come out. There's a really strong line of thunderstorms moving through directly here. And so when I see a line of thunderstorms, it doesn't have to be a tropical storm. I'm going to come try to film it. So it is August the 24th. It is Wednesday, and we are literally on our, I don't want to exaggerate, but correct me if I'm wrong, here in southern Alabama, Mobile, where we are in Dauphin Island, it has rained every single day, if not all day, for a couple of months. Oh my gosh. Oh! Wow. I don't know if I got that on camera, but that was gnarly. Wow. Holy cow. That was a big bolt right there. Right off that tree line, not far away. Wow. So I was looking at the radar, and it's been raining all day, and sometimes the temperature will drop pretty drastically. And we were picking the kids up from school. The temperature got a lot cooler. The wind started to pick up. I looked up, and there was a lot of these low clouds just churning right above my head. So usually when that happens, it can get pretty darn gnarly pretty quickly. Look at those clouds, how they're coming in. Looks like it's almost like some low-level convection. So crazy. Amazing. But the lightning bolt came from this way, and the line of thunderstorms is moving out of the west, and it's kind of moving east, northeast, give or take a little bit. But that strike was, luckily I got that. Look at these clouds just hanging in there, man. Those are wicked for sure. I want to go out back to where the water is, but I don't want to miss another one. Oh! That was close. Wait for the thunder. There it is. Yeah, this storm's close. It's definitely electric for sure. It's rained so many days for the past couple of months. It's kind of hard to even think when the last long day of sunshine was. Oh, another little flash there off to my northwest a bit. So that line is kind of hanging along kind of that area of the picture, running from the northeast to the north, to the northwest, to the northwest, and to the west. So that whole frontal area of the house is really packing a punch. I can hear the rain. The line of rain is approaching. It's fixing to get heavy. I can hear it. It's going to be blowing in my face, so I'll have to get on the back porch. Let's track it on in. It's been a relatively cool day today, mid-80s, which is pretty cool for how hot it's been. Luckily, the cloud cover has kept us a little cooler than usual, so we always welcome that. Definitely itching to get back on the tennis court, for sure. But interesting storm. I'm glad I got that bolt earlier. Let's go on the back porch. Getting a little wet already, and it's only going to get rougher. But let's check it out. I know that. Oh, good strike. I'm glad I didn't go. Oh. Yes. And here comes the pouring rain now. Mix in a little precipitation, some lightning, some thunder, a little bit of wet feet. Oh, it's coming hard now. No tropical systems so far this year that have threatened the Gulf Coast. So we're enjoying the sporadic electrical storm that we get. Nice thunder boomer here in southern Alabama. Volatile temperatures. Surprised we hadn't gotten more zaps and pops and snap and crackles and pops like Rice Krispies here in the past couple of minutes. But to start the video, we got a nice zap, really nice zap, and here comes the wind. Not too bad. Gusting a little bit unprotected though, So it's more windy just off the porch than it would be if I was not on the porch. Let's check out the back. Oh, ooh, yep. So looking out over the Mobile Bay, and that direction is the Mobile Bay. Just across would be Gulf Shore. So I'm looking to my east now. So the wind is at my back. So I'm definitely protected here. Rain is coming down in sheets. Sheets. Kind of give you an idea of how hard it's raining. Again, I'm protected, but it is coming down really, really, really hard, and it has been pretty much on and off for days, if not months. I don't know the whole truth about climate change, but I tell you what, I haven't seen this much rain, and I've lived here for, I mean, half my life, if not longer. It rains here a lot, you know, afternoon thunderstorm, okay, between, you know, 3, 5, and 5 o'clock in the summer, you can set your watch by it. But this much every single day, to the point where it interferes with work. We work outside, so if it rains, we can't work, so it hurts. It really, really hurts. I'd love for this rain to be at bay eventually. Nice thunderstorm, though. So far this year, relatively quiet tropical season. I don't think we've gotten through the first few letters of the alphabet with named storms. None in which I could recall. In terms of intensity, I think we had some disturbances off the coast of Texas, down towards Mexico, the Yucatan, I think. Ooh, it's a nice lightning strike. But I tell you what, the amount of rain we've gotten in 2 months would outperform any tropical system. I know Hurricane Sally dropped, what, 22 inches on us here in a few days, but I'm willing to guess that the rainfall total for the past 2 months is 20-30 inches. I'm willing to bet on it. Strong little storm. Anyway, hope all's well. A nice day here in Dauphin Island, Alabama, given the conditions of the weather, but overall a nice day. Another good storm.